KALM, Kind and Accommodating Learning in Montana Hospital Kit. Montana Family to Family has put together medical play kits to help ease worry during medical procedures. Here's what's included in the hospital kit. The Mini Hospital Play Simulation System, including a mini IV pole model, mini infusion pump play tool, mini feeding pump play tool, mini infusion bag play tool, mini feeding bag play tool, a portacath play tool, and a G-tube for doll or plush play. You'll also find 2 oral syringes, 2 slap bracelets, a mini urinary catheter for dolls, and the mini ECG/EKG play tool, which includes an ECG/EKG machine and leads, a toy ECG lead placement chart, and a medical play with cardiac EKG guide. The kit also includes a laminated X-ray printout and laminated step-by-step blood draw printout. These hospital kits support young children, youth, and adults with healthcare needs by helping them become more familiar and comfortable with medical experiences by using a play-based approach that is especially beneficial for children with complex medical needs. Kit contents may vary based on availability, and certain items may be substituted or omitted if supplies run out. We make every effort to maintain consistency, but variations between kits may occur. Warning: this kit contains small parts and is a choking hazard, not for children under 3 years. For more information about the KALM Hospital Kit, visit umt.edu/family-2-family/KALM or call 406-243-4570. A QR code is also available on screen.